Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood, laying on the screen. You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give. Fake water all across the road. It's gone now, the night is come. But sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Can't make you happier now. You can't fight it, you can't breathe. You say something so loving, but now I gotta let you go. You'll be better off in someone new. I don't wanna be alone. You know it hurts me too. You look so broken when you cry. One more and then I say goodbye. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. I just wonder what you're dreaming of when you sleep and smile so comfortable. I just wish that I could give you that bad look that's perfectly unsaid. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Heat waves been faking me out. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Go. A mí me gusta every time you look at me that way. A mí me gusta all the things you need every day. A mí me gusta en cada detalle que te hago y que me haces bien. It's what I like, yeah, yeah, yeah. It's just what I like, yeah. A mí me gusta las mujeres when they shake that, yeah, yeah, yeah. A mí me gusta when they want they go and get it, yeah, yeah, yeah. A mí me gusta, a mí me gusta, a mí me gusta. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Ponte creativa. Todas las mujeres son hermosas, pero las más que me gustan son latinas. Ella no es lesbiana, pero a veces escondida a su amiga, su amiga, su amiga, su amiga. Al ritmo de la música ella mueve la cadera, se me pone imperativa. Hace las cosas y no la pillan, ya, 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 ya. De todo tú di de qué forma y te como yo escojo. Todas esas tú las volvería a hacer. Ella es mi alma gemela, los dos somos adictos.
A mí me gusta las mujeres when they shake that, yeah, yeah, yeah. A mí me gusta when they want it, go and get it, yeah, yeah, yeah. A mí me gusta, a mí me gusta, a mí me gusta, tra. Yeah, 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 yeah. Tra. I don't know what you used to, but I know that you have never tried something like this. I don't know what you used to, but it doesn't matter, cause I know you got like this. Eso que tienes ahí, lay it down on my body. Lo que tú quieres de mí, do whatever you got. A mí me gusta las mujeres when they shake that, yeah, yeah, yeah. A mí me gusta when they want it, go and get it, yeah, yeah, yeah. A mí me gusta, a mí me gusta, a mí me gusta, tra. Yeah, 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 tra. Yeah, 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 tra.
Well, I must say, this stadium falls in the must-visit category for any football fan, should the chance come his or her way. Anfield is the venue. I'm Derek Ray here on the commentary box, and I'm joined for commentary by Lee Dixon. And we're always thrilled when a new campaign begins. That's the case here. It is the first match of the new season. It is Liverpool taking on Chelsea.
Well, Derek, really can't wait for this one. Never gone head-to-head, these two. Who's the strongest? Who has that special talent in their side? Should be a fun watch, this, for sure.
Bad pass. And they continue to advance, and a lot of options here. And a successful intervention, winning the ball back. So the starting lineup for Liverpool. Alisson gets the nod in goal. Virgil van Dijk plays alongside Joe Gomez in central defence. Jordan Henderson starts with Jorginho Wijnaldum in central midfield. And the idea is to take aim. In it goes, an early goal. No wonder they're celebrating.
Well, here's the replay. It's a very neat piece of deception to get past the defender, and he chooses to use... Power in the finish. Not much chance for the keeper when it's hit that hard.
Not the pass he had in mind. And Chelsea with the ball again. Promising sequence. Ziyech. The pass could do damage. Not troubling the keeper. Read it superbly to take back possession. Pressing high to win the ball. Perfect challenge. Well, that's a well-timed pass. And he's in the clear. Can he find the net? And Salah always has the sizzle. His goal.
Well, let's look at this again. Magical football on the break. Surprise is the key. And he had choices of what type of finish to apply. And bang, he goes for the smash. Lovely goal.
It's going their way. 2-0. Well, the attack looks promising. Mount. And they need to get tighter here. Using all his defensive acumen to cut it out. Henderson. Might be a chance here. Will he? In it goes! The lead just gets bigger. Surely they can't let this slip now.
Tell me, are you ready? To dance, yeah. But as I enter, I'm on the party starter. Party starter. The party starter. The party starter. Tell me, are you ready, yo? Are you ready, yo? You're ready, Latido. Listen to the do, re, mi, do, fa, sol, latido. Fa, sol, latido. Hey, yo. Tell me, are you ready, yo? To dance, yeah. But as I enter, I'm on the party starter. Party starter. The party starter. The party starter. Tell me, are you ready, yo? Are you ready, yo? You're ready, Latino. Listen to the do, re, mi, do, fa, sol, latido. Fa, sol, latido. Hey, yo. Tell me, are you ready, yo?
And a warm welcome. This is the scene here at the Etihad Stadium. My name is Derek Ray. With me in the commentary position is the former Arsenal and England defender Lee Dixon. And if the game is as enticing on the pitch as it looks on paper, we're not going to be disappointed. It is Manchester City taking on Liverpool.
Yeah, thanks, Derek. Well, 3 points clear at the top of the table, and they know another win today, and they'll have one hand on the trophy.
Chance for Bernardo Silva. And with that, they've thwarted the opportunity. Disappointing pass. And so the starting 11 for Manchester City. Ederson between the posts. Benjamin Mendy plays with Kyle Walker as fullbacks. Riyad Mahrez plays. Can he put them in front? And a goal! 1-0. And what a fast start they've made to this game.
Goal for Liverpool.
So back in action. Will there be a quick response from City? There needs to be. Sterling. It's with Bernardo Silva. Aguero. Possession given away, unfortunately. And Bernardo Silva has it. Tremendous block. Tremendous defensive acumen from Laporte. This looks promising out wide. Oh, showing excellent vision. And I must say that was a very promising attack. The alarm bells were sounding. Walker. It's with Bernardo Silva. Bernardo Silva. Here's Aguero. The referee spotted the infringement, and it will be a free kick in a position of genuine menace. goalkeeper not offering any scraps that time. Wijnaldum. Mane. Liverpool in a position of menace. Wijnaldum. Well, how about that for a piece of tackling to break things up? Aguero. Oh, terrific pass. And the flag raised. Offside it is. Henderson. Henderson. No real threat, you've got to say. De Bruyne. Well, they might be onto something. Firmino. Fine tackle there to prevent the chance. And a throw-in it's going to be. Walker. Here's Mahrez. Firmino. On and on he goes. Well, the post getting in the way there. And a goal it is. The keeper readied up part of the equation. Well, a second goal for them here. Aguero. No real conviction in the challenge. Crisp tackling. He's such an intelligent player, Fernandinho. Well, a poor ball giving possession back to the opposition. Firmino. Takes the shot. And it goes! Well, it's one goal after another. A highly impressive performance. Well, back underway here, and Liverpool handing out a very harsh lesson. Getting in there to take it away. Sterling. Nicely timed tackle. And Liverpool could get in behind the defence. Can he do it? And a powerful effort, but just lacking accuracy.
Yeah, narrowly wide, Derek. Decent effort, he smashed it.
Laporte. Rodri. Liverpool have given it away. De Bruyne. Here's Aguero. Breaking at pace. And City have possession once more. It is to be a throw-in. Firmino. Sadio Mane in the middle. Bernardo Silva. Liverpool have the ball once more. Firmino. And up for grabs off the keeper. Oh, he's lost possession. De Bruyne. Bernardo Silva. Aguero. He read the situation defensively and did his job. And that's an important intervention. Oh, lovely incisive pass. Salah in with a chance. Well, a textbook interception. And no problems whatsoever for the goalkeeper. Right on top of it, Henderson. Incision with the pass from Kevin De Bruyne. Well, the chance looked to be on, but found himself offside. Henderson. And the whistle is sounded for half-time in this game. Well, Roberto Firmino frequently does things in a match that please his manager. So off and running again, and it was a delightful performance by Liverpool in the first 45. What will we see from them in this half? De Bruyne. Aguero. A really sumptuous ball. Well, he had a lot of ground to cover. Splendid save. And he's fired over the corner. Able to deal with the threat. Now can they counter clinically? Tremendous ball played through. And possibilities for Aguero. And winning it back. City pushing forward with options available. And they've won possession again. He's got the right idea with that pass. Sadio Mane's cross. Well, punched away by the keeper. It's a weighted pass. Well, that's how to do it inside your own penalty area. Quick thinking to dispossess his opponent. Well, the counter chance looks very real. And Mohamed Salah now. Bernardo Silva. Aguero. Is it going to be? Deary me, a golden chance missed. It might come back to haunt him.
Well, you learn the script time and time again, and he's now just gone and fluffed his line.
And he's through here. Can he take advantage? Keeper did his job to begin with. And at the second time of asking, it's a goal. The keeper, meanwhile, looks to the heavens.
Roberto Firmino.
A lopsided contest, 4-0. Well, not very clever defending. Will it be? That is when your goalkeeper is worth his weight in gold.
Well, he's earned his wages, hasn't he? He was in position, he had his focus. What a save.
A header it was, but a pretty straightforward save, Lee.
Well, it's an easy header, Derek, and he made it look really difficult.
Roberto Firmino. Well, it could be on for him here. The net is staring him in the face. Well, he saw the whites of the keeper's eyes and the whites of his outstretched gloves. Great goalkeeping.
Well, he's denied a certain goal there. Great reflexes from the keeper.
Can he finish? But it can't get through. Counter-attacking, very much an option. Aguero on the move. Well, that break looked so promising, but nothing coming from it. Mahrez. And return to Walker. And able to get a body in the way. Oh, a perfectly timed pass. Is it going to be? Big chance it is. A goal! We're really being spoiled. This is attacking football at its finest. Well, if there were any lingering doubts about the outcome, surely they now have been removed. Well, it's come down to the final 20 minutes here. Mahrez. And he stopped them just when they looked menacing. Plenty of running room in the wide position. There to win it back. Bernardo Silva. Well, in the second half here, and it's almost, Lee, a case of whatever they've touched has turned to goals.
Well, I can tell you...
Oh, it was a terrible-looking challenge, and a big decision for the official here. Red card as the frustration grows. They really are all over the shop here, Lee.
Well, that's kind of summed them up all day, really. They've not been in the game. The game's gone, and now they're losing their composure.
Oh, he's gone for goal. And a goal almost bewitching in its beauty. Excellent technique. Well, it's an out-and-out pasting. 6-0. Mahrez. Mahrez. Chances on. A goal! He's dispatched it, much to the sheer delight of the fans.
Goal for Manchester City. Number 26, Riyad Mahrez.
Roberto Firmino. Mane. Angled for Salah. Firmino. And the penalty has been given. Out. And he puts it away confidently.
Well, here's the replay, and it's easy to ask why the keeper didn't save that. But it's the deception, the disguise, and it's done brilliantly. I love that.
The ball rolling again in what has been an utterly one-sided match. Aguero. And the timing was perfect. Ball one. Relentless high pressing. And pulled back. And there it is. A goal. But will it be purely a consolation at this stage of the proceedings? They haven't been at their best.
Well, here we see it again, Derek. He's just unaware there's people around him, and he loses it too easily. Then it's catch-up, and they can't recover. Terrible goal to concede.
Manchester City goal.
And 5 minutes to go.
Bernardo Silva.
Andrew Robertson. Sadio Mane now. Firmino. Take it away. Aguero. Well, the pass not finding it. A real opening now. Well, if only he had timed his run slightly better. Offside. And if you're wondering about added time, 2 minutes it'll be. Henderson. And showing fine vision. Well, they've given him too much space. And still a chance. Oh, tremendous block. The final whistle has sounded, and my goodness, things going swimmingly for them in the title race. They take a commanding lead at the summit.
Well, that, Derek, is championship form. It's a joy to watch them. Just look at the smile on my face, Derek. I really love this team right now. Doesn't everybody? It's tip-top.
I can tell you were well impressed, Lee. Roberto Firmino, he seemed to be everywhere. Lee, what in particular did you enjoy about his display?
Well, clearly the difference between the two sides today. 2 goals, a really good performance, ran into the channel, did everything right. Absolutely, 9 out of 10.
Think about you, thinking about when the sunset is to bless another day. Did I dream about you? 'Cause you're the first thing that comes to my mind when I'm awake. Boy, you had me from the beginning. You can't deny I fell in love like shooting stars. We were young, we were reckless. Toast on us for breakfast. We were gods, we were restless, and we both knew that we were blessed with good love. Boy, you got me caught in this good love. I really believe that with you we could take off to the end of the world. Really, really found that good love. It worked 'cause we found good love. Oh my God, boy, you got me feeling like a star in the coupe with the top down, pumping good love. Oh my God, they don't really want it with this bar, show off, double up. I'm alive with the eye. Heart signs in the air, making dance to this. It's the queen of the air. Getting now, we fell in love like shooting stars. We were young, we were gifted. Can hold us down, we stay uplifted. We were gods, they can mess with, and we both knew that we were blessed with good love. Boy, you got me caught in this good love. I really believe that with you we could take off to the end of the world. Really, really found that good love. Boy, you got me caught in this good love. I really believe that with you I feel we could take off to the end of the world. 'Cause we found. Boy, you got me caught in this good love. Good love. Good love. You we could take off to the good love. Good love. Good love. You we could take off to the.
Sometimes it's just like, sometimes it's just like,
Etc.
sometimes it's just like, sometimes it's just like,
Etc.
Let go of the nonsense, all that you hear. Oh yes, you know that. The echoes in your ear. Yeah. Let go of the nonsense, all that you hear. Yes, you know that. The voices in your ear. So what will happen now? You have put us into this conflict.
Can you see what you're losing? What are you doing?
Up in your feelings, is it real or are you still dreaming?
Can you see what you're losing? What life are you choosing?
Time is ticking, what you giving? Shift your mind, move your spirit. What has arisen? What's your decision? Sticks and stones won't shake my vision now. Shake it off now.
Now is the time, now is the time.
Let it go now.
Now is the time, now is the time.
Factionalism,
Oh,
I'ma pick your side.
oh,
Contemplation,
oh,
look at on side.
oh,
What is your judgment?
oh,
Tell me if it's true.
oh,
Is it fact or fiction?
oh,
What's your position?
oh.
Sometimes it's just like, sometimes it's just like, yeah.
Etc., etc.,
Yeah, yeah.
etc., etc.
Sometimes it's just like, sometimes it's just like,
Etc., etc.
whoa, oh, ooh, let go of the nonsense, all that you hear. Yes, you know them, the echoes in your ear. Let go of the nonsense, all that you hear. Yes, you know them, voices in the air.